Hey guys, welcome back to our third video, and this is the really fun one. It's the picture book edition, and we love the picture books because we love to talk about the illustrations, the colours, the meaning behind it. So it's really nice. Yeah, it's very interactive, so we really love that. But before we begin, just wanted to let you know that our latest issue is out, issue 12, and it's all about sports. So it's our sports edition, and we have fun-packed interviews, book reviews. We've got like puzzles as well, and you can find that on our website. And yeah, it's a really great issue, and our next issue will be out soon, so we'll be talking about that real soon. So shall we begin?
We shall.
So our first one is so cute, and it's all about grandmas because we love grandmas, and we just feel like grandmas are just amazing. I mean, you can't argue with that. And so this one is My Grandma's Magic Recipes. So there's like stories and recipes for every season, and this season is The Winter Warmth by Phillips and Camilla Sucre. And this is beautiful. Really lovely. So Ella's actually has her own business, and she's going to be on our blog post soon, and she talks about her business, and she actually creates vegan recipes. So she really is into her vegan recipes. There is a story behind it, but I don't want to give it away because we will be having an interview and you'll find out more about it. But this is her very first book. There's a series, so this is the first series, and it's so beautiful. The illustrations are wonderful. I love the colour scheme, how consistent it is throughout the book. So you've got your blues and your purples.
The touch of winter is there, as you can tell.
Definitely a really lovely Christmas book, I think. And it's just lovely the way, all the purples as well. Yeah, it's just lovely. So yeah, this one's about a grandma's Christmas party, and there's smell of sugar and spices, calypso music, dancing, lots of friends and family, but no grandma. So where could she be? Which is quite interesting. So perhaps she's in her sweet smelling kitchen, waiting for Z to help her turn dough into yummy ginger biscuits. So I've just read here that there's 2 delicious winter recipes as well. So that's really nice. And this is already out. This is a really lovely gift, I think. Really nice gift.
So the next book we have is by another friend of Sadé magazine. This book is called One Little Word, and it's by Coelho and Alison Colpoys. So this book has lots of different vibrant and very punctual colours.
Like fluorescent kind of, yeah. Nice.
And it just reminds me of highlighters for some reason, but in a good way, of course. And this book is about accepting things that happen in life, and it's all based on children, so as you can see here, children and how they react to their problems in life.
Yeah, really nice. And Joseph's amazing. He's had quite a few books out there, and we're always happy to review them. So this one's really lovely. It's so bright and colourful. It's lovely. I mean, look at his little glasses.
And then
as a glasses wearer. So cute. I love seeing it.
And then you can see the joy in all the children here.
Yeah.
I think this is my favourite spread out page of the book.
Yeah, really nice. So that's a really good one as well. And our next brilliant book, lovely cover. It's got that kind of
texture.
Yeah. A Hero Like Me, which is written by Angela Jo and Jen Reid. Really great book. It's inspired by the events of 2020 when a statue of the slave trader Edward Colston was pulled down and thrown into the Bristol Harbour. This is a groundbreaking picture book that provides important lessons and gives children an example of a hero that's just like them. Really lovely. Really nice. You can see her standing up there. It's all about justice, but I love that she's involving the children. I think that's such a, well, both of them. I think it's because it's a joint written book. I think it's really important that children have their say as well. And I love that this book is mainly about the children and how they
experience things.
Yeah, and how they can be heroes as well. And then I'll put you on to Sadé because she's going to be talking about the illustrations, which are, oh my god, amazing.
As you can see here, it's very vibrant, it's very colourful, but it's also quite muted. And I feel like the simplicity illustrated by Leire Salaberria, I feel like she just adds her special touch to it. Like, look at this. The living room setting, it just looks beautiful with mix of pastel but also bright colours contrasting with each other. And I feel like the colours represent the emotions or the feelings which happen through this book. As you can see, everyone from the town, including the children, are here and they are experiencing the slave trader being put into the ocean as a statue.
Yeah, really great book. And as I said, the texture's lovely, the cover.
Yeah.
I haven't seen that one before. So yeah, really excited about that. This is a really good one coming up.
Yeah. Speaking about heroes, this is the brilliant Black British history. It's a tongue twister. It's by Atinuke and Kingsley Nebechi. This is a book with amazing illustrations. As you can see, the front is very bold and powerful. It just speaks to you. As you can see, it's all about culture. It's all about how Black people have created themselves and innovated many other cultures into this world. Join this fascinating journey through the ages to meet those first Britons, as well as the Black Romans, Tudors, Georgians, and Victorians who existed in every walk of life in Britain. So from this piece of the blurb, it's just basically explaining how there were Black people in every sort of era, and that, yeah, we should be celebrated.
Yeah, definitely. Like the Black Roman Britain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like how grainy and detailed.
Yeah, it's got a bit of texture to it, hasn't it?
Yeah. Conquerors and migrants
Yeah.
in the Roman Empire.
A really great fact books. We've had quite a few fact books that we have reviewed on our channel, but we're always willing to review more.
African empires.
Yeah.
The little colour chart of Africa and the different types of merchants that were there. So it's a very nice book overall.
Yeah. Yeah. Atinuke is a friend of Sadé Mag.
Okay.
She was actually in our second issue, which is quite nice. Yeah, so that's quite nice. So yeah. Oh, our last one, but not least, it's making me really hungry. It's a really good book, and it is Choose Your Own Tasty Adventure. I love the play on words here, and it's by
Dr Sai Pathmanathan and Lucia Vinti.
Illustrated it. So cute. This is such a lovely book. So basically this cookbook is about fun and experiment with different recipes from around the world. So you've got like cupcakes, churros,
Cakes.
yeah, and we just went on to the chocolate cheesecake. Oh, really nice.
I like how the illustrations are minimalistic.
Yeah.
So it just makes a little special touch. There's samosas.
Yeah, which is nice.
It gives a touch to the book and the recipes, of course.
Yeah, definitely. And what I like about this is it's like a real cookbook. So it's got like flour. It tells you like flour, milk, and it explains like different things like ginger and chocolate chips, like golden syrups. It's got like little explanations about why these are really nice and important.
Where they come from.
Yeah, and where they come from. So it's very educational, but yeah, you can do these yummy ingredients, olive oil, even melted butter, and then it's also got like useful tips as well, which is quite nice. But yeah, this is a really good one. Oh, I'm hungry now.
They have churros as well.
Oh my god.
Ginger and apple crumb.
Oh my gosh, that is like a Sunday treat, isn't it?
Definitely.
Yes. So guys, that is it for our picture book reading list. A really great one, really vibrant illustrations, lovely stories. I just feel that picture books are for everyone, all ages, I think. It's really nice to delve in and just look and see how the stories play out with the illustrations.
Yeah.
So yeah, really good. I'm all for picture books, I think. So again, we've got one more, so you have to
Stay tuned.
stay tuned and subscribe. If you like this video, please like it, please share it, tell all your friends, and so until next time, bye.